something inside me said, check to see what the other workshop was at. So I look at my phone, I'm like, okay. Oh my God. It is 5 minutes away. It's 5 minutes away. Okay, 𝗁𝗵𝗶𝘂, just go. Show your face, right? You missed everything probably, but just go. So I head over to the venue. When I get there, I enter and I receive a gift bag at the door. It had a blue handheld mirror, a notebook, and a pen. I'm like, that's so cute. I was late and I got a gift bag. How cute is that, right? So I get the gift bag, I go inside, and in this room there's a large round table, women sitting all around it. I go and find my seat, and as I'm sitting there for a few minutes just gathering my bearings, the speaker stops, and she looks at me, and she says, I want you to do the exercise that you missed. And I'm like, is she looking through me or is she looking at me? Who's she talking to? Right? And the next thing she proceeds to say is, I want you to look in the mirror and speak positive affirmations out loud to yourself. I'm like, wait a minute. In my mind thinking, this